Hey everyone, I'm going to demo the breakfast maker today, and just to show you how easy it is, I have Brett here doing it for me. So we have 3 eggs and some water in our shaker cup here. Go ahead and mix that up.
Just shake.
Yep. Then all you're going to do is dump it into the breakfast maker. Add whatever ingredients you'd like. We're going to add some cheese in. A little bit more. This is my breakfast. So. Put the lid on. And go pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And at the end of that 3 minutes, it'll be done. It's that easy to